Hey guys, welcome to York County History Center, and we are standing in the Agricultural Industrial Museum, and today we're going to talk about bicycles, which is just one of my favorite things to talk about. Anybody who knows me knows that I love bicycles, but not this one and not this one. This, my friends, is what's known as a Velocipede. It was right around the late 19th century, 1880s. The Velocipede is essentially an all-wooden bicycle with metal tires. That's right, metal tires, kind of like a wagon wheel. They were sometimes known as a bone shaker, more than likely because of the way you felt after you're done riding it. Oftentimes, you guys will see pictures of old-style bicycles like this. This became known as an ordinary bicycle. An ordinary bicycle had a small rear tire and a very large front tire. They were known for their speed, and they were very popular in the late 19th century. These ordinary bicycles gave way to what became known as safety bicycles for obvious reasons.
Okay, so like Mr. Raymond mentioned, the high wheel bicycle went at a pretty fast rate of speed and it could be pretty dangerous to ride. People got hurt. That gave rise to the safety bicycle that you and I are more familiar with, where we have two tires that are the same size, making for a slower riding experience, but also, as the name implies, safer.
Just like in the rest of America, bicycles were very popular in York. In 1909, Red Kleindienst opened up his very own bicycle shop on South Duke Street. Through the years, the store expanded to sell a variety of products. After nearly 100 years of operation, the business closed down in 2008.